So we are out back waiting for our Zipline delivery. We ordered some groceries to be delivered by a drone that's gonna fly through the sky.
Where are the groceries at? Wow. You got it?
Uh-huh. This is crazy. We're in our backyard.
It's a good size. It's a good size.
And here come our groceries.
Oh, it's lowering it down.
Yeah.
Look at that, y'all. The future is here. And I think a lot of people are sleeping on what's happening slowly but surely. But the thing is, instead of slowly, everything is being sped up. Within the past 2 years, we've seen so many companies going automation. I mean, as quickly as possible, and everybody's in a race with everybody else. And I'm talking about the competitors, which are these major companies. And we're seeing people being laid off at a high rate. I mean, look at this. I remember seeing this video before I continue, playing this video. I remember seeing this video a few months, and I've actually had it in my phone for a while now, a couple months now. And I've been meaning to post it, but keep forgetting to post it. But look where we are right now. We're in the future. Just imagine seeing that for the first time. What a feeling, right? Because now you're thinking, I'm one of the first. Even if you're one of the first 100, you're still one of the first. If you're a part of the first 1,000, you're one of the first. If you're a part of the first 10,000, you're a part of the first. Because guess what? Not everybody is experiencing this. And when you're in that top few positions, out of billions and billions of people who are on this earth, and you make it in the first 10,000, you're a part of the first.
Why did it land on country?
Seriously? So what do you think?
That's cool.
We've never door dashed, but we zipline.
You definitely take care. Thank you. No tip.
Let's go turn around and go back to Walmart.
Just head it out.
Bye, Mr. Zipline. Thank you.
What's the further did it go?
I don't know.
I told you I heard it. See,
Zipline. So I'm looking up Zipline right now, and I'm looking at it right here. And yeah, they're out there. They're actually servicing Walmart, Chipotle, Jets Pizza, Panera Bread, Sweet Green, Mendocino Farms. And, they're going to start getting real popular around town. So I'm going to look a little bit deeper into this website to see who it was founded by, who created the owners, and so forth, because, I love to do my research when it comes to these new companies out here. And there you can see it says Zipline on the bag. So if you want to try it out, feel free to try it out. First, look up your city, because I know people are going to come on here and ask me if it's available in their city. You got to look up your city, y'all. But Zipline, this is crazy. It's good to watch it, but imagine being there in person receiving the delivery. Now, they did say they've never door dashed, and this is where we're going in the future. A lot of those drivers will be replaced, unfortunately. This is just what it is. Automation is coming fast. This is a part of AI. And what I would suggest is, Learn to fly a drone. Cops are going to be replaced by drones. State troopers are going to be replaced by drones. Believe it or not, delivery drivers are going to be replaced by automation. 100%. Driverless vehicle and drones. This is where we at right now. So you got to start preparing yourselves, man. And you know what I always say? Take advantage of the resources that we have right now. There's so many resources at our fingertips. When I'm telling people, get on this app, get on that company, sign up with that company. And a lot of people are waiting till the last minute. Those are the people who are not going to reap the benefits of what we have right now. Never in a time have we have so easy access. And I'm talking about the easiest access ever in the history of this earth. To get on our phone, sign up on an app, and that app says you're hired, start delivering. We have never had this in the history of humankind. From the beginning of this earth, from the book of Genesis, we're not at the Revelations yet, but from the book of Genesis till now, from the Stone Age till now, modern times, we have never had this easy of an access to create revenues for ourselves and our families. Take advantage of it. It's here. Get on the apps. Get on TikTok. Sell something. If you don't want to sell something, create some type of content that could make you monetization money. You don't want to be out there selling, totally fine. Not everybody's a seller. But guess what? Create some type of content. Speak about something. You could literally get in your car, turn your camera on and drive around your city and just shoot your city. Okay, so you know your city that well, go out there and do it. Shoot your city. You don't have to even talk. Just add the words to it in the editing program. This is downtown Ohio. This is downtown Chicago. This is downtown New Orleans. What Manhattan looks like. What LA looks like. What downtown Miami looks like. What Houston looks like. What Houston homes look like. What the trees look like in the mountains. You could literally go around and record trees, and there's an audience for that. Make money. Put in the work. Give it time to get monetized. Post videos and create revenue. Get in your car. Drive a few blocks. Make money. Get in your car. Drive an hour. Make money. It's what it is. It's never been this easy, y'all. It's time to take action. Take action.
Where are the groceries at? Wow. You got it?
Uh-huh. This is crazy. We're in our backyard.